Hi everyone! Today I have for you the easiest lasagna recipe ever. I call it cheater's lasagna because we're actually going to use cheese ravioli instead of lasagna noodles. So you get all the same ingredients in the dish that you would in a lasagna, but it's much easier to make. We're going to build up layers of sauce cheese and cheese ravioli and bake it in the oven, and that's all there is to it. Wait till you see how easy it is. Here we go. And here it is out of the oven. Doesn't that look good? Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. It was really easy, wasn't it? I hope you try it for yourself. Let me know if you do. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Bella really liked today's recipe. See her down there? Hey, Bella. Cheers. See you next time.